is that the second thing is that as the government strives to excel from the bottom up, county assemblies are in fact the footprint of government for Mwananchi. Their community obligations, Your Excellency, as you well know, may not be sufficiently captured in their job descriptions. Yet their remunerations has been reduced over the year. Your Excellency, you can imagine those who are county assembly members in the previous and ran again to be re-elected, only to come and find that their terms had been reduced. I know, Your Excellency, that you're wise, you're kind, you're long-sighted, you're visionary. Your resolve is all that is required. And Your Excellency, all I can say is that for the county assemblies, Your Excellency, the Senate already provided a ceiling for the county assemblies. So it does not alter the budget at all. It's actually within the budget that has already been provided. All that they are restricted in consideration of their welfare is the restriction by the SRC. And we would like to request that, Your Excellency, this being your foot soldiers and those that hold both the government and programs at the ground, at the bottom of the pyramid, that Your Excellency, you will consider that request. Your Excellency, we focus the next 5 years on performance in key areas that will definitely transform our country. We are partnering with the national government in all the key agendas of your government. And Your Excellency, as a council, we want to commit to work together with your government to ensure that we achieve the expectations of the Kenyan people. As I conclude, let me take this opportunity to convey immense gratitude to our partners who have supported this conference, the United States government, especially the Platinum partners, Safaricom PLC, Kenya Commercial Bank, AMREF, and all our other partners. Thank you for your magnanimous contributions to this conference. Your Excellency, you are beyond a platinum partner for us in this conference. The national government supported way above our expectations through the Office of the Deputy President, and we thank you very much. Distinguished guests, I wish you all fruitful discussions in the coming days of the conference. It is now my honor and duty to humbly invite His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, to come give his remarks and officially open the first biennial devolution conference. Let's welcome His Excellency with a hand clap.